What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at the all-new Waterfall case by Caseology. Have it right here in my hands. This is for the Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's get it on and check it out. So right here I have my phone, Galaxy S10 Plus, it's pearl white. Basically, you just drop this case in. It actually comes with a protector on the back and a protector on the front on the inside of this case. I've already peeled that out. But let's look at the case right now. Right away, we see we got nice raised edges, nice raised lips. So when you put your phone down on the table, it's going to protect that screen. Buttons are nice and tactile. And I actually have the screen off right now. I'll turn it on just so you guys know that it's a real phone. There we go. Real phone. But buttons are nice and tactile. Mic up top looks good. All of our cutouts down bottom, everything matches up really well. We want to look at these corners. Corners are slightly thicker than the sides. That's going to protect in case it bumps into a table, anything of that nature. Camera sits down in a nice recess right there. You still get to see your full phone through the back of that. And let's check out our charging capability. There we go. It charges, everything looks good with that. Now, what I want to talk about also is the ability for it to still remain light. You're still going to hold that same weight as if you were just holding the actual phone itself in your hand. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to leave a link below so you can go check this case out. This is the Waterfall case by Caseology. They also have some nice screen protectors. Boom. They have some screen protectors. So in my next video, I'm going to install this screen protector. I just gotta kind of make sure I'm doing it right so I can give you guys the best information that I can. But they have those screen protectors. I'm gonna leave links up to both of those so you can go check those out. But until next time, hopefully this is able to help someone. Give me that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.